Welcome. I'm Mara Schmid, CEO of reAgency Marketing. Today we're going to be discussing the Reg A IPO, a new way for private companies to go public. Our guest today is Dennis McCarthy, a managing director with Boustead Securities, which has successfully completed Reg A IPOs. Welcome, Dennis.
Thank you, Mara.
We're here to talk about Reg A IPO because it's a new way for private companies to go public, but it's still relatively unknown. Give us a little history on Reg A IPOs and Boustead's experience.
Yes, Reg A is new. The very first Reg A Plus offering was completed in March 2016. Now, it wasn't a Boustead deal, but it raised approximately $17 million for a vehicle development company. Now, since then, Boustead has been watching and learning from the experience of early deals, what's worked well or not, in our opinion. In June 2017, Boustead led a syndicate in raising approximately $14 million for Automani, an electric vehicle company, which was the first Reg A Plus IPO to be listed on NASDAQ. Then, in January 2018, Boustead led a syndicate in raising approximately 10 million Canadian for TrueLeaf, which sells pet food supplements. Now, TrueLeaf was the first Canadian-listed company to complete a Reg A Plus offering in the U.S. Now, Boustead also has a couple other Reg A Plus offerings in progress. Several of these offerings are for real estate businesses, which are aimed to give investors a consistent cash dividend.
When we were talking before we went on the air, you mentioned that Boustead, and for that matter much of Wall Street, are on a steep learning curve with Reg A Plus offerings. Would you elaborate?
Yes, certainly.
You mentioned a couple topics. One of them was offering marketing.
Yes, unlike a traditional S1 offering, a Reg A Plus offering can use a wide range of marketing techniques: email, social media ads, broadcast, influencers, etc. Now, Boustead and its media partners work with our clients to actively spread the word of the offering. And we try to use client resources whenever possible, but we've also developed resources specifically for these Reg A Plus offerings, and we get a good response.
Next, you said companies need support from current shareholders.
Well, it's no surprise that new investors want to see that current investors and other friends of the company put the first money into the offering. Now, with support from friends of the company, new investors seem more comfortable participating in the offering.
What about listing on NASDAQ or the NYSE?
Well, we found that investors prefer offerings where the company has obtained a conditional listing from NASDAQ or the NYSE. With a conditional listing, investors know that the company has to meet listing requirements, including the threshold share price and market value. Also, brokerage firms are more likely to take the company's stock into a brokerage account if the shares are on NASDAQ or the NYSE, which generally makes that process easier and faster for the investor.
Then there's your Flash Funders platform?
Well, Boustead realized the value of a partner, which would enable Boustead to offer a seamless marketing and offering paperwork process. Now, Boustead merged with Flash Funders under one umbrella organization. A Reg A Plus offering has a number of elements, so having most of them under one organization increases coordination.
Thanks for your insights, Dennis. If someone has questions or wants to discuss a Reg A Plus offering further, how can they learn more?
And we're happy to answer questions. I'll post contact emails of the Boustead team that can help.